Okay, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Even though today is like I'm filming two different videos in the same timeline, so it's going to be a bit confusing. But so that is the unit video, which will be after this video. But today, whilst I'm down unit, I have a lovely, scrumptious new intake to fit to the Golf R, which is actually the first modification for the car. I mean, it's had the wrap done, which I guess is a big modification, but it doesn't enhance performance or anything. Today we've got in some sucky noises because everyone wants an intake, everyone wants to see power out of this car and some modifications. So this is why I'm here. And I was sitting there last night speculating to myself, because I'm going to film this yesterday, but it was raining, even though it started raining a bit now, and I was thinking, how does this intake go? Because I only know Fords and Fiestas. Now I was thinking of who my good friends are, my bestest friends in the world. James's name comes ahead. Coincidentally, James designed the intake, so he should know how it goes. Whether he doesn't know is a whole nother story, but I'm going to teach him if not. It does seem pretty simple to this. You've got the air box, and you go down here, and I've got a new bit of piping for here. So it's probably just like an 8mm hose clip. Pull some stuff, undo some stuff, and we're good to go. He's got my Halfords kit out. He's excited, he is. But James, is this easy? Is this an easy mod? On a scale of 1 to 10, what level is this modification?
Easy mod, mate.
Easy mod. So we're going for like a low, a 2, 3?
Yeah.
2, 3. Easier than an indicator bulb?
Easier than an indicator bulb. No, not easier than an indicator.
Alright, harder than an indicator bulb.
It might be easier than an indicator.
We're going to find out together. I'm pretty sure this just pulls up. Like, I was looking online at like just the layout of it, and it looked pretty simple. Like, I could understand it, but we might as well do it together as a little bonding exercise. Especially as James was going to clean up the unit, and he did not. So now he owes me. Oh. So we just undone the 7mm from down here, which was pretty easy. Well, it was a bit annoying because whoever's put the Jubilee clip on originally put it at the bottom where you couldn't really get onto it, which loved that VW text. And then this just pulls out. Nice little vacuum line. Don't get down this, Jesus. And I think that just pulls.
Yeah, it's just.
If you break it, you buy it. Come on, James. Use them. Oh. That was actually really easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Is this like a stock snorkel?
Yes.
So that
stock cold air feed.
Yeah. To
feed the airbox, and then obviously on the.
That was pretty simple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And there's another.
Yeah, that's just a little drain.
Oh, so it's not like a vac line, nothing. No. So you got the vac line, the drain. So that was like. That was easier than a light bulb. Like it literally took a second, and it's all out. I'm impressed.
That is easy.
Easy peasy. I love that on like these VWs you get like a little handbag for your battery. Do you know what I mean? A little satchel for the sighting.
From the cold.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Exciting times. It's car park day. Oh yes. A lot of people. All right. Question. Foam. Foam or like it's not paper. What's the other material called?
It's the foam or the cotton filter. No, that's a cotton filter. And then you've got like the K&N style filter. Yeah,
a lot of people say these make better for power, the foam, compared to the cotton, but is that just like a myth, or is that personal preference?
I think it's personal preference, really.
Yeah.
It's also to do with
the car and the mapping and the weather and stuff. But I have heard in general these are meant to be better designed. And it is a really like simplistic, easy thing, yeah, like it. Nothing's too overcomplicated, like I understand it. I got a blue one, but they didn't really do Tiffany. So I went for just other blue. No, this is like performance blue, I guess you call it.
Yeah.
We'll rattle can it Tiffany, it'll be fine. Fitting kit. It's just like a bracket. Yeah. Is that just to connect the actual?
That's to connect the airbox to the front panel.
Yeah. Paperwork, let's have a look. Okay. It's a lot of paper.
It's your basic walkthrough.
Tools needed. We should have read this first.
We should have, yeah.
Jubilee driver. 10mm socket. 4 and 5mm Allen key sockets. 7mm socket. Selection of extension bars and a ratchet. And then it says what we've got in it, like shield, hard pipe, filter, loads of boring stuff about washers and nuts and but we don't need that. Yeah, literally, yeah, it says literally what we just did to take it off. Remove 10mm bolt at the front of the button, and then yeah, fitting it seems pretty simple. Just yeah, there's a do and a don't, and we're gonna do it the do way, the do way. But we're just getting all the hardware it laid out and sorted first in front of us, and then we're going to fit it on. Should be good.
Yeah, I need to check which way the brackets are now.
You designed it.
I know, but I can't remember. That's one of them, isn't it?
Question though.
Yes.
How do you actually design this stuff? Like, how do you think? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well,
Like, this is a weird shape, mate. Who thinks of these weird shapes?
we have to make it so it works for the car, don't we? So we get the car in, look at the standard airbox, look at how we're gonna improve it,
Yeah.
and then obviously we just draw it.
Because I guess you want to make it easy,
Yeah, you
and then make it performance gain.
Yeah, yeah.
So like, even like, you saw how easy to take the stock one out was, and then with this now we're just setting up like the little, bracket, which is, it says how you do it, and it's just like nut, bolt, nib it up sort of thing.
Yeah.
And then so that will go straight off there. That is that's definitely bigger than stock, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got higher intake inflow, more sucky, more power. More power, baby.
More power. So just
come on, give it a pop. I've got trim tools in my bag.
No.
I've got Mac Tools trim tools. I bought some Mac ones.
Oh.
I'm minted, mate. Alright, so we've got to move that and then take that 10mm out. Not why I said 10mm, 10mm out.
Move the 10mm.
Is that just to the relocation of this? Oh yeah, because there's a 10mm going through on this heat shield, isn't there?
The M6
That's gone there, yeah.
holding the airbox down, so we'll...
So you sort of just modify, you work around the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. It's going well, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going good.
Yeah.
It's going good.
Yeah.
It's going good. Right,
Take that bad boy out. Go on, hit him with it. Oh shit.
Boom.
Boom.
Put that there.
Look at this.
Right. So,
Just tucks in and goes straight through.
literally just goes in that hole where we've just taken that out.
Yeah. I see
You
you.
just got to clip this just in the front panel there.
So then it still guides in with like the stock
so
sort of
it's still,
snorkel.
you're still using the cold air feed, the standard
Yeah.
cold air feed.
And this is a more direct flow as well with like the
Yeah.
shape of the heat shield. I'm liking it.
Yeah. Nice and easy. Nip that up.
Look at that. Lovely.
Solid.
Solid as a rock.
Right. Silicone hose.
Pop that on there.
Push that on. And it just sits on the standard bit.
Lovely jubblies.
In there. Get the hard part.
Get the R pipe. Get the R pipe. Beautiful. So has that got the vac hose off it or something?
Yeah, that goes for the
Thought we unplugged this one here.
yeah. That just literally
Redirects through there and
Yeah,
then
that's it.
clops onto there. He's confused himself.
There we go. Oh, that's got to go that way.
Tuck her in and through.
Do a little pipe bracket up.
So that bracket there you just put on is just literally just to support this elbow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty much just to hold it in place.
Just holds that in place so it doesn't rattle on the shield.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I get ya.
Do this up.
It should sound a lot better as well. I'm excited. I am intrigued. Because stop. It does a little bit of turbo noise, like a little bit of intake, but it sounds boring. Like very boring. Like I need to put a lot of mods on this car, which will go on the car in due time when said unit is ready and Bobby stops breaking things. What did you break?
I dropped the level.
Oh, okay. You dropped the level, it's fine. But once that's done, the car's in there, then we can go more full send with it. But until then, we're just going for like a nice little intake today because I want them sucky sounds, and it's just for Christmas, and you know, Christmas spirit means modifying the car. Or in this case, James modified the car for me. Yeah. Well, I mean, I was going to do it, but it's so easy that you might as well just do it and I'll film it. Yeah. Cut 2 people is too many to do it.
Yeah.
Like, it's just overdone. But at least I'm showing the simplicity of how it is. Simplicity, that's a good word.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Once we've got it all
It looks a lot better than stock. That look garbage. Look at it. It's just a big dirty old box. This is beauty in the beast. Oh, beauty in the beast, mate. Love that. Oh, this is the best bit. This is the best bit, Jay. This is the filter bit. Oh. Let me check that you've done it right. Where's the paperwork? There's a do and a don't. I'm checking. Can't trust you. Don't do that. Do that. Alright, what bit? Do not push filter any further than the swage line If filter is fitted any further, it will change the angle and will rub on air intake, voiding warranty. Don't void my warranty.
I won't void your warranty, mate. It's fine.
Alright, just do what it says.
I am.
That looks good though, doesn't it?
Does look good, mate.
I hope it makes really nice sucky sounds.
Should do.
Yeah, boy. Race car. Can you actually rev? Yeah, you can rev these stands, can't you?
Yeah.
A little bit. Put it in launch. Actually, I've never even put it in launch yet. Couldn't work it out. I know now, I just didn't put traction off. That's the bit that held me back. Didn't know that. And do now, I'm wiser. Yes. Yes. Bob, what do you think? Shit. This not shit, it's beautiful.
Wrong car.
We'll put it in your van next. Oh, so sick.
That's my hand.
Let me know if there's engine lights. Don't trust you. Alright, come on. Oh. Come on, hit me with it, James. Hit me with it. Give it a rip. No, I'm excited. I'm excited to hear it. Right, we'll warm up for a second and then we're revving it. Okay, we've let it warmed up. No more of making me wait. Give it a rev. Give it a rev. Sounds like Darth Vader. The sucky sounds are beautiful. James has done well. Well done, James. Good manufacturing. Manufacturing, designing, I don't know. What's the word? Designing?
Designing.
Designing. Good designing there. It sounds sick. Looks sick. Yes. I just wish they did like a Tiffany intake. I don't think anywhere does like intake silicon, but if someone does or wants to paint mine, please do. I'll tuck my little battery tray in, give that a tuck in. But yeah, all that's left now is the best part of every mod, the road test. But I can't road test just yet because I've got to sort the unit. But I want to know what you guys think. What should be the next mod? Because this is technically not my first performance mod. What would you like to see next done to the Golf R? Like, what's on your list? Like, you've got intercoolers, decats, exhausts, divert valves.
Yeah,
everything.
Turbo muffler delete.
Turbo muffler, the elbow.
Turbo elbow.
Just more power, baby.
You still got to low line kit.
Oh, I forgot about that. I got a spoiler at home. I got loads. I got D-wiper kit. That's coming in. That's going to be the next big performance mod, I think. The D-wiper is going to be more aerodynamic, so more like a bullet going through. You know, does that make sense? But yeah, the car is looking sick. Well, it's actually looking completely filthy at the moment because it hasn't been cleaned since I've wrapped it. Like, look at the back. That's nasty. But it's coming along nice. And now I've got these sounds. These just gaps, handing out cappuccinos. Speaking Japanese, like, what would you like to drink, sir? A large, fresh cappuccino with some Gaparino pizza on the side? What you know about, mate? Look at it. And it sounds sick. But yeah, I'm going to go back to the unit video, but I'll recap shortly when we go for a road test. Probably be dark by then, but that's probably the best time to do the road test. Okay guys, so we're now out in the car. It's a day late, so I didn't want to do it at night because we haven't seen anything. So I'll put it in race, in manual. I never know when to really shift. I'm going to downshift a bit, put my foot down a bit, and see how it sounds. I like it. See that? Whoa. Sound like a pigeon. I'm loving the turbo fly. I've noticed if I'm like low down, just like feathering the throttle a bit, you can hear a lot of turbo fly. So downshift again, so that's higher revs. With a little shifty, it sounds so much better. I'll try and like put the window down a bit for you, so you can hear a bit more. But it's obviously, if I slow it down, even on the downshifts, you can hear it. It sounds so sick. I love an induction kit. I mean, even with the RS, that was like the first mod I ever done for it. And like, I feel like every car, every first sort of mod people do is go for like the intake induction kit thing, because it's it's cheap, quick, easy. So like you saw, it took like not even 5 minutes to reinstall it. Taking out the stock parts was literally a 7mm, and then you pull it. Like, anyone can do it. And I was just lucky James was there, and I just thought if James was there, he might as well show me how it does it, because he designed it. Like, he knows exactly how it goes and can explain a bit more than I can of how it works and how we like you still use stock parts and everything with it. But it just like it feels quicker, but it's more than likely just mind over matter. Me thinking, oh no, it's got better parts than us, so it's quicker. Obviously on a dyno they can produce more power, and then mapping wise this is like the first step you would take to get the big power or something. So it was definitely a very good first mod to do. I'm going to leave a link down below, the link to this intake from Airtec Motorsport. Make sure you go check them out. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram, everything. I'll link down below. Auto specialists. They do Ford, Spag, literally everything, anything. Intercoolers, intakes, decats. Like, if you can think of it, they probably sell it. So make sure you go check them out. Go give them a thumbs up on Facebook, and just definitely check this product, because it's definitely one to keep out for. And this is a good start to playing around with the Golf R. Obviously got a lot more to come for it, and we've got a lot more mods to fit to it, and it should get so much better, so much good sooner. So I'll leave it here, guys. Smash the like if you've enjoyed the first sort of modification to the Golf R. Comment down below what you see next and what you think of it. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. Check out the Patreon, sign up, and I just gave you like a sneak preview of the unit. That video will be coming up following to this, so like a day after this is posted, you're going to get a unit update, and make sure you stay tuned back to 6. So I'll see you boys next one. Peace.